Conversation at supermarket.
Hello. Welcome to our supermarket.
Hi, I'm looking for some fresh fruit.
The fruit section is on the left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
These apples look delicious.
They arrived this morning.
How much are they per kilogram?
They are $2 per kilogram.
I'll take 1 kilogram.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, I need some bananas.
The bananas are next to the oranges.
Great, they look fresh too.
We restock every morning.
Do you sell fresh bread?
Yes, the bakery is at the back.
I can smell the fresh bread already.
It just came out of the oven.
I'll buy 1 loaf, please.
Do you need any milk?
Yes, I need 2 cartons.
The milk is in the refrigerator.
I found it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Yes, it's on the beverage shelf.
Which one is the most popular?
This brand is our best seller. I'll take 1 bottle.
Do you need any snacks?
Yes, I'd like some potato chips.
They are on the next aisle.
There are so many flavors.
Barbecue is my favorite.
I'll try that one.
Do you also need some cookies?
Yes, I'm buying them for my family.
These chocolate cookies are fresh.
I'll put them in my basket.
Do you need eggs today?
Yes, 1 dozen please.
Please check if any are broken.
They all look perfect.
Anything else on your list?
I still need some rice.
The rice is at the end of this aisle.
I'll take a small bag.
That should be enough for a week.
Now I'm ready to pay $510.
Is this the shortest line?
Yes, only 2 people are waiting. That's great.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I found everything.
Would you like a reusable shopping bag?
Yes, please.
It is strong and eco-friendly.
That's a good idea.
Your total is $38.
Can I pay by card?
Of course, you can.
Please insert your card.
The payment was successful.
May I have the receipt?
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful day.
Wait, I forgot to buy some cheese.
The dairy section is still open.
I'll get it quickly. Take your time.
Now my shopping is
The
complete.
cheese is next to the butter.
Do you have low-fat cheese?
Yes, it's on the top shelf. I'll take 1 pack.
Would you like some yogurt too?
That's a good idea.
This strawberry yogurt is very popular.
I'll buy 2 cups.
Do you need anything from the freezer?
No, I have everything now. Let's go back to the checkout.
There isn't a long line anymore.
That's perfect.
Please scan these items.
Certainly.
Your final total is $43.
I'll pay with my credit card.
Your payment has been approved.
Can I have a paper bag?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you for your excellent service.
It was my pleasure.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. See you again soon.
At restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. I'd like a table for 2.
Certainly. Please follow me.
This table is perfect.
Here are your menus.
Thank you very much.
Would you like something to drink first?
I'd like a glass of orange juice.
And I'd like a bottle of water.
I'll bring them right away.
Have you decided what to order?
One need a few more minutes.
No problem. Take your time.
Everything looks delicious.
Our chef recommends today's special.
What is today's special?
Grilled chicken with vegetables.
That sounds wonderful.
I'd like to order that.
What would you like for your side dish?
Mashed potatoes, please.
Would you like some soup?
Yes, tomato soup, please.
Excellent choice.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Would you like some bread while you wait?
Yes, please.
The bread is warm and fresh.
It smells amazing.
Your soup is ready.
It looks delicious.
Please be careful. The bowl is hot.
Thank you for letting me know.
How does the soup taste?
It's rich and flavorful.
I'm glad you like it.
The grilled chicken is ready. It looks fantastic.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
Would you like some black pepper?
Yes, just a little.
Would you also like some ketchup?
No, thank you.
Is everything cooked the way you like?
Yes, it's perfect.
I'm happy to hear that.
This meal is excellent.
Yes, I'd like a glass of iced tea.
003 to 20,000.
I'll bring it right away.
003 to
Thank you.
24,000.
Would you like to
Would you
try
like
our fresh
another
salad?
drink?
Yes, that sounds healthy.
Our garden salad is very popular.
I'll order one to share.
Here is your salad.
It looks colorful and fresh.
Would you like some dressing?
Yes, please.
Italian or Caesar?
Italian dressing, please.
Here you are.
Everything tastes wonderful.
Thank you for your kind words. Would you like some dessert?
Yes, what do you recommend?
Our chocolate cake is the favorite.
I'll have one slice.
Would you like some ice cream with it?
Yes, vanilla ice cream, please.
Your dessert will be ready in a moment.
I'm looking forward to.
It looks delicious.
Please enjoy your dessert.
The cake is soft and sweet.
I'm glad you like it.
Would you like a cup of coffee?
Yes, a hot coffee would be nice.
Would you like sugar or milk?
Just a little milk, please.
Your coffee is ready.
Thank you very much.
Did you enjoy your meal today?
Yes, everything was wonderful.
We're happy to hear that.
Could we have the bill, please?
Certainly. I'll bring it right away.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards. Please tap your card here.
The payment was successful.
May I have the receipt?
Of course, here is your receipt.
Thank you for your excellent service.
You're very welcome. Have a great evening.
Thank you. We'll come back again.
At bus station.
Good morning. Where are you going today?
I'm going to the city center.
Do you already have a ticket?
No, I need to buy one.
The ticket counter is over there.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Hello, I'd like one ticket, please.
Which destination?
The city center, please.
One way or round trip?
One way, please.
That will be $10.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your ticket. What time does the bus leave?
It leaves at 9 o'clock.
Which platform should I go to?
Please go to platform 3. How long is the trip?
It takes about 1 hour.
That's perfect. You still have 20 minutes. I'll wait in the seating area.
Have a pleasant trip.
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you very much. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
I hope you enjoy your visit.
Thank you. I'm very excited.
The station is quite busy today.
Yes, there are many passengers.
Do you know where the restroom is?
It's near the coffee shop.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
Would you like something to drink?
I'll buy a bottle of water.
The convenience store is over there.
I'll be back in a minute.
Don't worry. I'll save your seat.
That's very kind of you.
The bus should arrive soon.
I'm ready for the trip. 51.
Please have your ticket ready.
003 to 20,000.
Here's my ticket.
003 to 24,000. The
Everything
driver
is
is
fine.
checking the tickets. Can I put my backpack under the seat?
Yes, that's the best place.
Is there space for my suitcase?
The driver will store it below the bus.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
The bus is arriving now.
Everyone is lining up.
Let's get on the bus.
Please watch your step.
I'll take the window seat.
I prefer the aisle seat.
The seats are comfortable.
The bus looks very clean.
I hope the trip is smooth.
The weather is nice today.
We should arrive on time.
I'm looking forward to the journey.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
I'm ready to go.
The bus is leaving the station.
Yes, it stops in the city center.
That's exactly where I need to go.
The journey will take about an hour.
I have enough time.
Would you like to sit by the window?
Yes, I enjoy the view.
The mountains look beautiful today.
I want to take some photos.
Just wait until we reach the valley.
I've heard the scenery is amazing.
You'll really enjoy it.
Thank you for the recommendation.
The bus is moving now.
Have a comfortable trip.
Thank you very much.
If you need anything, just ask.
I appreciate your kindness.
Our next stop is the city center.
I'll get off there.
Please don't forget your bag.
Thanks for reminding me.
Have a wonderful day.
It was nice talking with you.
Safe travels and goodbye.